Yo, so I go on. Your boy again, Mark from the side farmer. So, alright. Yo, story time. So, the moral of all of this is, well, what me have to try to say is that, yo, rain a fall, flash flooding a go on, and yo, me can't go farm go look on the pepper them. If you see, yo, if you remember, me have one little trench. Me never valley the call that, but me have one little part down the way. Me plant the pepper them. In there, so the water run hard down in there, so right. So that's my problem right now. So the rain will fall hard now. I go affect them pepper them. Probably then wash away the root or then wash the pepper itself or something, but something bad I got happen. I don't really want to go out to see what's going on because all night last night rain a fall straight and then I come at work. Rain a fall continuously. Rain a fall to a point where the bridge, you have one bridge, it's something, it got over the bridge. And then instead of me going to farm, me end up come at work. I cook some curry. I cook some curry with some pepper and some zit. So, but what I say is that, alright, rain a fall and then me and my ideas, me go plant some pepper down now. Yeah, they have one level part of the field now because the part of the level me go plant pepper down in there and then me go find out say yo, it's like a drain. So anytime rain a fall, down there's a flood out. And this a flood there. It's that terrible that everywhere wash. Right now me have to my workplace over early because of the rain. So we have to head home now and me now can't get figure farm see me because time dark, rain a fall, the vehicle now can't get to go away. So that's still, if me not go to them, me can't go on next day because me have work again tomorrow and all of that stuff. So anyway, me I say yo, hopefully yo, me fingers crossed, none of them pepper, nothing to do none of them pepper them. Especially them one day. Because yo, it rough. As me I say yo, as a business you gotta always have obstacles that come your way. This is one natural obstacle. You can't do much about it, but hope. You see me? You can't do much but hope. I'm in a hoping game right now. So before me can find out, me now can know what I'm until the rain cool down, and then me go up there go assess the damages and pray say yo, me not get much damage. Other than that, yeah, what we do now? How the rain a treat majority of them? The Jamaican YouTubers. Or walk one for rain on them. Everything alright? See them? Police there all over the place. Traffic tick. So I'm gonna link it back in a few. Alright, so yo, this is some shrimp. So yo, we can't go reach our farm today. So yo, what am I gonna do now? Just go get some shrimp. So yo, we cook some shrimp and eat. Just eat and enjoy ourselves. So yo, and take the farm off our mind until we can go there. Because there's not much we can do, right? So yo, stay tuned. Watch out, you tell me to do something, I don't know to do it. Yo, so watch out. So yo, we're in the kitchen, I'll chef up some food and eat me and cook. But me I do most of the cooking though.
Where I cook?
And I cook shrimp. Shrimp and chicken.
That way I cook?
And yeah, and when you done it about say yo.
Shrimp and chicken fried rice. Everything mixed up in one.
Shrimp and chicken fried rice. What me a cook this still?
Let's get them.
It's good. So you want to put some fried rice mixed with chicken and shrimp. You roll it for soy sauce night and some. And some of the wicked man jerk sauce I'm going to tell them about. With sugar.
Once you find a way to get past it, you're going to go up the stairs and turn left, which will be access to the VIP lounge club.
That means that people go to Ghana.
It looks like he's taking his break. He needs to find a way to divert him.
I'm going to cook it.
Come on, Mom.
No soy sauce?
Turning here. Do you have an eye on the target? Okay. Once we find a way to get past him, you're going to go up the stairs and turn left, which will be access to the VIP lounge at the club. There should be bottle orders here.
Yeah, I'm trying to say, yo, me a better chef here, but she don't believe me. So she learned today, see?
Yeah.
He said, me can't cook, but him can't cook neither.
Oh, DJ,
Moment of truth.
Do you have an eye on the target?
Check in case you're
Once we
saying.
find a way to get past him, you're going to go up the
Light?
stairs and turn
Well,
left,
It is good.
to the VIP lounge at the club.
What
There
is
should
it?